Hello, this is Ella. I'm from Charming LED, and our InfoComm booth is number 9776. And right now, I'm connecting you to introduce our product for the dance floor P3.91. So basically, is 500 by 500 the dance floor LED panels, and it's waterproof. And we put our glass on the front, and each panel can get the 500 kilogram weight. And it's very popular, and also the higher brightness because we do the outdoor light pixel inside, so you can say it's very beautiful, and it's really popular for our customer to do the DJ events or the nightclub. So hope you like this. So our company website is www.charmingled.net. So welcome to connect us with our all products. Thank you.